Hello, welcome to this Apartments.com tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the rent calculator here on the Apartments.com website. So once you're on Apartments.com, go to the top left where it says Menu. Then in the drop-down, go down to Renter Tools and press on that. Next, press on Rent Calculator. Once you're on this page, it helps you estimate how much you should spend on rent. In the Calculate My Rent section, you can input your monthly pre-tax income. Choose whatever you want. You can also adjust the percentage of your income that you're willing to spend on rent. Again, choose whatever you want. Based on these criteria, the calculator will show your suggested rent budget. You can then search for rentals that fit this range. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how you can use and access the rent calculator here on Apartments.com, understanding budgeting, negotiation strategies, roommate options, pet policies, local school ratings, walkability scores, commuting distances, urban development, market cycles, housing regulations, and tenant rights. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.